Here I have ALCATEL 3V, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to open testing mode, you have to enter secret code on the keyboard on your phone, which is *pound 2886 pound. And here you have testing mode. You can just run auto test, and you can just test it manually. Here you can test all the interesting functions of your device, like touch panel, keyboard, maybe camera, main camera, front camera, LCD backlight, vibration, screen, and every other function. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.